Go, Rolito.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Vale.
Rolito.
Go, go, go.
Go.
Oh, are we waking Rubens up?
No.
Right, it's late. Let's hope it doesn't set off the smoke alarm like the other day.
George and I nearly shit ourselves.
Oh. Let there be light.
Oh.
Yeah, wow, I think so too.
One for Bill. Good boy. Good sharing. One more.
Right, you have that one. Alright.
Yum.
I stick my finger through it.
Oh,